Hello everyone, welcome back. We are here for the part 2 of the test for the new setup. This time we are on the highway on the E40. Let me know in the end of the video if you like the new setup. What do you think? How I can improve myself? I hope you will enjoy and see you next time. Bye bye.
No destination, no place we have to be. This strip of black asphalt has set me free. Yeah, the rear view mirror is a closed up door. I ain't looking at the past anymore. Oh, riding down Highway 11 feels like we're halfway to heaven, with the ocean breeze blowing through my hair. Going anywhere, I just don't care. Wheels keep spinning on the open ground on Highway 11. I am finally found, yeah, Highway 11. Take me away, take me away, halfway to heaven, driving straight into a brighter day. Just me and the road tonight, out on Highway 11, taking flight. Oh, riding down Highway 11 feels like we're halfway to heaven, with the ocean breeze blowing through my hair. Going anywhere, I just don't care. Wheels keep spinning on the open ground on Highway 11. I am finally found, yeah, Highway 11. Take me away, take me away, halfway to heaven, driving straight into a brighter day. Just me and the road tonight, out on Highway 11, taking flight. Wheels keep spinning on the open ground on Highway 11. I am finally found, yeah, Highway 11. Take me away, take me away, halfway to heaven, driving straight into a brighter day. Just me and the road tonight, out on Highway 11, taking flight. car on the freeway and we're going too fast. And I'm thinking out loud, this will never last. 'Cause this is the scene where I disappear. But you just turn the music up and you just start to sing to me. There was a time I built my walls up 10 feet high, said no one gets in, then you just smiled and walked right by. And here we are, I'm tearing up my master plan. I hate to admit it, but I think I'm your biggest fan. In your car on the freeway and we're going too fast. And I'm thinking out